In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear sway bar bushings on this Cadillac Escalade. These are going to be located at the base of the rear differential. Let's get into it. I'm going to use a 10mm socket. Take these bolts out. And on the other side, take that one out. Same 10mm socket. You take the bracket off, just like that. And you can separate the bushing. Slide that off. And we'll just take some silicone lubricant on the bushing. And you want to separate this and just slide it onto the bar. There is a slice. You can see the slice right there. It's easier to slide it over where it's a little bit more open. Slide that on, put it in position. Just wipe that down, and take the bracket, push that in position, and get the bolt started. And the back bolt. And tighten those down. And you can do the same on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.